And just to clarify, Klaus Schlappner mentioned there the first foreigner to coach China's national football team, and of course, a German national.
Well, on today's NetCheck, the protection of the privacy rights of minors, which in China means anyone under the age of 18, has been heavily discussed in the twice amended regulation of the law on protection of minors, which came into effect earlier this month in Hubei province. The regulations aims to prevent anyone, including parents, from reading or revealing minors' cell phone text messages, online chatting records, and emails. This has sparked controversy among parents and experts, and we can join our researcher Kevin Jia in the newsroom now. Well, Kevin, what are people saying about this?
Well, most parents and experts say the rule violates parents' guardian rights over their children. They say kids should be guided by parents when using cell phones or chatting online. And they ask, how can children understand the negative effects of some online sources if they are not protected by their parents? Many are also questioning how the regulations will be enforced. Would children sue their parents if their privacy is compromised? It's hard to enforce such rules.
And presumably, Kevin, there are some comments from the young people themselves. What have they been saying?
Some children welcome such regulations, saying that it will help them to get away from their parents' strict supervision. They say these rules are necessary today because online chats and mobile text messages have become popular among minors.
Thanks, Kevin. Well, Fergus, of course, China's revised law on the protection of minors went into effect just over 2 years ago, but local authorities have based their specific regulations on this law.
That's right. You have to bear in mind that it's not the same regulation across the country, and local authorities do have some leeway in this. In Guangdong province, for example, they've stipulated that children younger than 16 should not stay out overnight or be allowed to live alone outside the family setting. Also in Guangdong, the regulation emphasises the responsibility of parents or guardians to protect minors from the internet, alcohol, cigarettes, or leading a bad lifestyle, a vagrant lifestyle.
Right. And we also have this recent controversy law in the northern part of China.
That's right. In Heilongjiang province, they brought out a law which also, amongst other specifications, including tobacco and drinking and so on, said being in love, puppy love, was not allowed anymore, and that caused a lot of fuss. Not so much amongst the parents, but certainly a lot of fuss amongst the children.